Did you know that using the right futures trading strategies on Bybit could potentially double your profits in a matter of weeks? Now, in this video, you will learn how to master Bybit futures and implement effective strategies to maximize your trading profits. Now, many traders struggle. And what do they struggle with? Consistency. And often they lose money due to lack of proper implementation of strategies and understanding of market movement. We are going to explore in-depth strategies that could skyrocket your win rate to over 85% in just 1 week. Now, here's how it goes. Look at the screen right here. Tell me what you see. Now, this is a downtrend. First things first, you must identify that there is a downtrend. We must agree to know that there is a trend. The trend is your guide. The trend is your friend. Now, when price trades back into a fair value gap, all right, a fair value gap, for those of you who do not know what a fair value gap is, I'm going to drop a video in the description of this video that will guide you there and show you what a fair value gap is. It's an overlapping of what? 3 candles where you have a gap. Normally, every candle is supposed to lap each other with wicks. But now that there's a gap, there's an inefficiency. So we'll call it a fair value gap. Right. Back to the video, guys. Now, we have a trend and we have a fair value gap. This fair value gap is definitely going to be acting as an area of what? Interest or point of interest. Now, all we have to do now is come down. Look at this very well. Can you see how price tagged into the fair value gap? Now, the moment we see this, all we have to do is go down to our what? Lower time frame. I could say 1 hour time frame. Remember, we must see the fair value gap on the daily or the higher time frames. All right, now, after doing that, we come to what? 1 hour time frame and try to see if there's a what? A distribution or a sweep of inducement. Now, I can see one boldly here. Can you see what price just did? This was a sweep, a complete sweep. All right, let me just illustrate that with the dollar sign. So it was a sweep of liquidity because this low, I know you will ask me, how did I know that that was a sweep of liquidity? Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you. All right, just hold on, guys. I'm going to tell you. Now, this low could not break this high. So it was a sweep. This low could not break this high. Whenever you see that a low could not break a high or close above it, and then suddenly it runs down, that is indication that there's a sweep ongoing. So all the buyers that must have been trading this, they must have put their stop losses above this point. Are you getting me now? So this is a sweep of liquidity. We left the sweep of liquidity with an inducement here. So price is definitely going to be falling down. Now we want to start trading from here because price is already in a fair value gap on the daily, right? Good. So we want to trade from here. So what do we do? What do we do, guys? It's a very simple thing. All we have to do is to wait for price to come back again into fair price. So from this point now, we can say, okay, let's see 50% of this retracement. 50% of this retracement is somewhere around here. Yeah, 50% of this retracement is somewhere around here. I think that was a glitch from my network. Okay, that's okay. Let me use my GAN tool, my GAN box. Right, 50% retracement is right there. So I'm just going to mark a line on it and cancel it. So I have my 50% retracement. Now, whenever price goes above this 50%, I start selling. As simple as that. No plenty talks. Whenever price goes above this 50%, I start what? Selling immediately. I place a sell limit order. Now, my risk to reward is going to be very massive. Now, put my entry here, put my stop just right above this high that was swept because it's already a protected high. Price will definitely not go above it. Then I target a 1 to 4. I target a 1 to 4. All of these other blocks, they are going to be swept. Target a 1 to 4. Stay with me. Boom, I'm targeting this point. This inducement level, targeting there. So this is live, I'm showing you now, real life chart. It's not a back-tested picture or whatever. This is real life, I'm showing you. So I just target 1 to 4 and I let my trades do its thing. All right, I let my trades do its thing. This is how we trade the market. This is how our trades give us profit. This is how to be profitable in the market. Now, right in the description of this video, my link is going to be there if you want to register on Bybit. Bybit is an amazing exchange. They have all the pairs you can trade on, you can trade with. Click on it, register, and you'll be given a welcome bonus upon your first deposit. All right, up to $100 US. So guys, one love, peace out. And if you actually do not understand these concepts and you want to go in for mentorship, links are going to be in the description of this video to guide you properly and to show you how these things are being done. One love, peace out. This is MJ Crypto. See you on the next video.